Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin camper. Zena the Glamper camper is hanging out right over there. And I wanted to show you guys how I like to have fun in the ocean and catch some waves even without a surfboard. So I'm probably just gonna like time lapse this and then I'll do a voiceover because I'm probably gonna go way out there. So I'll go set you guys up by the chair. So that didn't really show you guys, I feel like, anything, but one thing I did want to mention is, I don't know if you could really tell in the video, but you want to be like right where the wave like forms, so that when it happens, you just kind of like turn around and it like pushes you towards the beach. And it's actually a really good photo opportunity like this, and then the wave hits you like that. You can have some really cool pictures with that, but from my experience, you don't want to be like past the waves where they're starting. So from my experience at least, and I don't know like the science of water, so this might be totally false, but if you're like all the way out there, okay, and a wave starts in between you and the beach, the wave like goes up and goes towards the beach. But if you're on the other side, it pushes you away from the beach. And once you get out there, it's kind of hard to see. That would have been a good picture. But once you get out past where the waves are starting, it's really hard to get back to shore, if that makes any sense. And the other thing is, a lot of like where the waves start, you can see I just went into a deeper spot, which I'm not a huge fan of. But once you get out farther, you can still reach in certain spots, but the water pushes your feet like out towards the ocean and your top towards the beach. So if you end up going like all the way under, sometimes it can pull you the opposite direction. So you just need to be really, really safe when it comes to this. Definitely should never be in the ocean by I'm not by myself. Mr. Cameraman's mom is on shore watching me. So you definitely don't want to play in the ocean without someone else here, even if there is a lifeguard. But I think that is pretty much everything. So now I think I'm going to try to take some cool pictures. The sun is not really out, so those pictures don't look the best. The other thing I did want to mention is, when you're standing here waiting for this wave to come forward, the water is like trying to pull your feet and your legs out. So there's still kind of that, the water is still trying to pull you both directions, even when you're closer to shore. So just be careful. And if you fall down and you like hit your knees on the sand, in my opinion, it's really best to get up like immediately, just in case another wave is right behind the one that knocked you over. But yeah, that is how, whoo, something just touched my leg. It was some seaweed. But yeah, that is how I enjoy the ocean. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.